We have Note 10 Lite. The problem we have says the volume button plus power button not working, on board issue. So what we have disassembled the device, and what we noticed that I took the flex out as well. So when I press the power button, it comes on, so it can go inside the phone. Only thing it's not doing when I'm pressing the volume up and down, it's not responding to that. So we're gonna work on it, and we're gonna see if it's the part of the board, and I'll tell you step by step how we can test if it's a board or a part. Stay with us. Right, so what we're gonna test with the meter, that I'm gonna show you that if I press the power button, see that on the screen is responding. Only buttons not working, volume up and down. And we're gonna check with the meter how we can tell if it's the part or the board. So we connect the red probe, black here, and now test. So what we're doing testing in a diode mode, that is part or the board. So test it one side, second time when you connect it, you see that, so you get some sort of reading. So when you're getting some sort of reading, that means this button works okay. Now move on to the next one. It's ground, like this one was ground. It is ground. This is supposed to give us some sort of reading. It's not giving us any reading at all. And move on to the next one. Open link, and that's ground. So what we know from this, that this and this point are somewhere has been what do you call, maybe have some sort of cut somewhere. This point and this point is not giving any sort of reading, so we're gonna check maybe flex is faulty. And I'm gonna also check with the tweezer on the board to see that if that is working or not. We figured out it was not a board problem, it was a flex problem, so we have fixed it. And we're just gonna check, because the on-off was working. I don't want to press that, because if I'm gonna press that, it's gonna ask for a code, and then it's gonna show the customer picture. So the volume up down was not working, on-off was not working with it, but was just needed a bit cleaning with that, but then that worked. Okay, so put the code on-off is working, and volume up down working, and power on off working. So this is power on off. This is it, it's done, fixed. If you have any device like this, do contact us and we'll fix it for you. Cheers, thank you very much.